Thanks so much for staying with us. Now, we do have across the Caribbean this evening more of that trough system influencing weather conditions and the pattern across the area, with those showers and thunderstorms across sections of eastern Cuba and also across Jamaica. We do have most of the activity across Jamaica concentrated over southern portions of the island. We did see some shower activity across much of the corporate area, as well as sections of St. Catherine, as well as Clarendon and Manchester earlier this afternoon. Scattered clouds are continuing to pervade most of the central Caribbean. We do also have some isolated showers in offshore areas. No high pressure is dominating. We still have that trough system maintained right across the area for the next couple of days or so. Now the forecast for tonight. Partly cloudy conditions are expected, but we do expect it to become generally fair across sections of northern and southwestern parishes. Temperatures 24 degrees Celsius both in Kingston and in Montego Bay, with 5-knot winds on both coasts. Now in the morning tomorrow, showers return especially to sections of the northeast, and then for the afternoon, showers again with a few thunderstorms also expected, covering most of the area. Temperatures are reaching 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston and 32 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Now, more showers and thunderstorms are forecast for tomorrow, particularly in Morant Bay in the afternoon, as well as in Halfway Tree, Spanish Town, May Pen and Mandeville. We're expecting scattered thunderstorms for the afternoon across Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar and Negril. Elsewhere, look for showers and isolated thunderstorms if you're in Golden Spring or in Bog Bog, but we are expecting it to be mostly cloudy in Brownstown, St. Anne's Bay, Ocho Rios, Port Maria and Port Antonio. Cloudy conditions persist across sections of the northeast as well, with isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. Now, the next few days, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, we do have shower and thunderstorm activity expected in the afternoons. For our marine forecast on the north coast, winds are northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots, while wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. East-southeasterlies are likely on the south coast tomorrow, speeds between 10 and 15 knots, wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. While for offshore areas, the winds are east-northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots, the wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. And for our outlook, we're expecting these conditions to persist on Thursday, going into the weekend, Friday and Saturday. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow, 16 minutes after 6, 19 past 6 in Mandeville, and at 22 past 6 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.